lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here again. Happy days, happy days. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for today's video because Lookfantastic have sent me one of their iconic beauty boxes to review today. Do you know how happy I am? I've never ever had a Lookfantastic beauty box. I've heard about them, wanted one for ages, but I just never got round to actually buying one. And now I have one, so this is amazing. I have shopped on Lookfantastic for years. They are a huge, probably one of, if not the biggest online beauty stores here in the UK. And this amazing box, it's a monthly subscription box that can be delivered worldwide, and you just pay a small monthly fee and you get a box of mysterious goodies inside that range from hair care, skin care, makeup. So I'm really excited to open this up and see what's inside. But first of all, let me give you a bit of info. So there are different subscriptions that you can choose. There's a monthly rolling subscription of £15 per month, but there's also a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, and the longer you subscribe for, the cheaper your box is, so you get more value for money. And also they've given me a 10% off code, so your first box on your 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, you get 10% off. Every box has at least £50 worth of products in there. So with the most expensive subscription starting at £15, great value for money. You'll be paying minimal for at least £50 worth of products per month. So it's definitely worth it. These subscription boxes, they're amazing for gifting, giveaways, or even just staying in touch with the beauty world and finding out the latest products. It's a good way to try out new brands, new products, things that you've never heard of, because you get sent them, you can try them, review them, and then, you know, sometimes you get sent the full size, which is amazing. But even if you're just sent a sample, you know what the product's about, and then you can go and you can buy the full sample yourself. So it's just a little way to try and test new items, which I think is fantastic. But anyway, enough talking. Let us delve in and see what's inside this box. Okay, first impressions. Love the color. It's very bright and boom in your face. I think they do change the colors every month, but I'm liking this color at the moment. It also looks nice as a gift if you did want to give it to somebody. No, that's quite cute. Do more of what makes your soul radiate, it says. So I think that the theme for this month's box is radiance. Love that. So inside the box, as you can see, I haven't opened it. The first thing you see is a little leaflet. Oh, I love leaflets. I love the fact that it's paper form instead of online. Because you know when you just want to sit down, you want to have your beauty box, you just want to have a cup of tea and read up about what is inside the box and read about the benefits and what you can use. And no, it's amazing. So I can see all the products they have here. Get into that with you. I see here they have interviews, reviews. Oh my goodness, retinol. That's something that I'm dying to read because I'm dying to know more about retinol. I want to include that into my beauty regime, but I want a bit more info, so that's really good. I'm gonna definitely have a read of that. And yeah, this is wonderful. Everything's really clear. And then there's a September sneak peek of what's going to be in the next box, and it's the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Oh my goodness, I love this cream. I love Elemis. Their products are amazing, and this cream, this is a top rated cream, and it's quite pricey. So the fact that that's in next month's beauty box is so exciting. Woo! Let's delve in and see what's in here. Okay, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. I'm one of those people that gets excited over makeup and new skin products. I'm a product junkie really, but you know. The first thing I see is the Ahava Dead Seawater Mineral Hand Cream. I love a hand cream. It says this luxuriously rich hand cream drenches your skin in velvety smoothness. Okay, let's try. It's quite rich, so a little definitely goes a long way. It smells lovely. It smells like a spa. Oh, my hands smell gorgeous. Yeah, it's rich, luxurious. Definitely absorbent. Let's see what it says in the pamphlet about this product. Okay, it's worth £8. It says deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, which was what I just said. These Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants. That's amazing, because the hands, even if you get facelifts, anything, the only place where your age gives away is your hands. So to have hand cream that has antioxidants, that's amazing. That's really good for anti-aging. Your body will feel revitalized, refreshed, and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetics ingredients. Really excited to use that. I'm going to pop that in my handbag because I actually need it as a hand cream. So that's amazing. Next, oh my goodness, we have the Caudalie Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting Serum. Guys, I have heard such good reviews on this product. I'm not even joking. It's amazing for all skin types. It's meant to be really good for clearing pigmentation and dark spots. If you're a woman of color like me, pigmentation can be a problem. So a serum that can help correct that. Oh my goodness, that is incredible. Let me see what the pamphlet says. I'm just going by what I've heard on this product, but let me actually read and see. A worldwide cult favorite, and for good reason. Told you I'd heard about this. The Caudalie facial serum is packed full of very ferrine, hope I said that right, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C. Sorry, I nearly choked on my words, because vitamin C is amazing, especially for pigmentation. Scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. This product is a yes. I'm so glad to have this sample size. This size is, it's 10 milliliters, so it's quite a small travel size, but this 10 milliliters here is worth £15.33. So you can imagine how much a full-size bottle is worth. So I'm very, very happy to have this as a tester so that I can see how my skin gets on with it and then go from there and decide if I want to buy the full bottle. So very pleased with that as well. Hey, let's see what's next in my box. Okay, so here we have a Mio sun-drenched body wash. That sounds luxurious. A sun-drenched body wash. I've never actually heard of the brand Mio. It says gentle golden micellar cleanser. Micellar is an amazing cleanser. I wonder why it's called golden. Let's open it and see. Oh, okay. Okay. It has shimmers in it. It's shimmery. I know it's a body wash, but I just want to swatch it on my skin anyway. And when it's on the skin, you can see the little shimmers it leaves. Oh my goodness. I wonder if when you wash it off, the shimmers stay on. And that's their sort of USP, unique selling point. I wonder if that's why they call it the Gentle Golden Micellar Cleanser. That's will be interesting to try. Let's see what the booklet says. Okay, so it's worth £3.15, this size, with a delightful citrusy scent. Oh, let me smell it. I didn't even give it a smell. Let me see. Oh yeah, it definitely has a citrusy aroma. That's really refreshing, and especially if you use this in the morning, it can really uplift your mood. I find when I use citrusy sort of like bath oils, bath scents, bath body washes, especially in the morning, it really wakes me up, refreshes me, activates my mood, and it makes me want to go and have an amazing day. And especially if it's giving me golden micellar cleansing skin too. Yes. Okay, it also says formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant smoothing effect for both the mind and the body. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna come back to you on this, but yes, that's the Mio sun drenched body wash. Quite excited to use that, and it smells amazing. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Okay, let's see what else is in my box. Okay, so here I've got the Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. You can never go wrong with a Global Protection Day Cream because you need protection from the elements and the pollutants in the air. It can contribute so much to premature anti-aging, which I'm sure this does. Let me see the consistency of this cream. Okay, this is really thick, so I'm sure a little bit will go a long way, especially for your face. Even though it seems like a thick texture, it's actually quite lightweight, and it's not greasy, which is amazing because nobody wants a greasy face, as this is a face cream. I like the smell. The smell is quite subtle. It's quite a calming smell. It's nice. I like the smell. So this is a 15 milliliter tube, and this is worth $10.50. It says it's Ren's best-selling protective moisturizer, perfect for sensitive skin. A blend of antioxidants and nourishing seed oils help to protect your skin from dehydration and pollution, 2 contributing factors to visible aging. Exactly what I just said, but that's true. That's why a cream like this is key for your daily regime. No one wants premature aging, so let's protect ourselves. Yes, excited to try this out and see how it goes. That's the Ren Ever Calm Day Cream. And in my box, I've got a Percy Reed Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Mousse. I do use mousse. My hair is quite fine, and even when I wear wigs, if I have flyaways, I use it to smooth away the flyaways. I've not used this particular brand before, but I will give it a try. Can never have too much volume in my case, give it a bit of oomph. And I love that it's travel size. Get long-lasting volume with the help of this Percy and Reed volumizing mousse, which will give your hair body and volume without feeling stiff or greasy. Okay, so that's amazing. I will definitely give that a try also. I've not heard of Percy and Reed, so that'll be interesting to try. Oh my goodness, the last thing in my beauty box is the Avent Sheer Moisture Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Vitamin B3 Eye Cream. Guys, this product is expensive in the shops. I remember when I was looking for an eye cream, I kept seeing reviews for this cream, but it was expensive. I was seeing bottles for about, I think 50 mils starting from about £90. So I didn't buy it. I'm so grateful for this tester. Hyaluronic acid is extremely nourishing for the skin, and it has anti-wrinkle properties, so it can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and prevent them from coming, because hyaluronic acid, it kind of boosts up the skin. So especially around the eyes, as we get older, our eyes start to dip in and we start to get little hollow bits, and that can cause dark circles and make you feel like you're looking old. Eye cream, especially a night eye cream, is essential because that's when the body repairs itself during the night. That's when all your serums etc soak up the most whilst you sleep. So this is amazing. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is in here. Of course, it's quite light consistency as it's an eye cream. Let me see what the book says. Oh, it's a face cream too. Oh, face and eye cream. Obviously, when I was reading up about it, when I was looking it up, I was more attracted to the eye cream basis, but it's a face cream too. Let's see what the booklet says. Okay, so this bottle here, this little 10mm tester size, is worth £20. I told you guys, this is a luxurious product right here that Lookfantastic have put in this box, so that's amazing. This anti-aging moisturizer penetrates deep into your skin surface so you can awaken with a refreshed, more youthful complexion. Hyaluronic acid improves the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Seawater restores moisture and balances oil production. And vitamin B3 reduces large pores and dark pigment. Oh my goodness, B3 is amazing. I use B3 at night as well, and my pores, they have reduced significantly. Even if it's just appearance wise, they look smaller, and that's the main thing. So good for skin texture too. It improves the skin texture if you've got like acne or, oh my goodness, yeah, this is a star. So that is all that came in my beauty box, and I must say, for my first box, honest opinion, I'm really impressed. Thank you so much, Lookfantastic. I'm definitely gonna get good use out of those products, and some of them I really wasn't expecting, like the Avon cream. I was shocked to see that in there. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope that this video helped. Again, if you did want to subscribe to a beauty box, I do have my discount code. Definitely think it's worth it. You get such good value products, at least £50 worth of products, and the most that you'll spend is £15 on a box. Less the longer you subscribe, and I've also got the 10% off for your first box when you subscribe for at least 3 months as well. Hope you like this video guys. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you for my next video. Thanks guys, bye.